Hello, I'm Noviana Anastasia. You can call me Tasha. In this time, I want I would like to discuss matter relate to the 2024 presidential election. The 2024 president election has given three pair of presidential candidate. The number one is Mr. Anies Baswedan and Mr. Muhaimin Iskandar or Cak Imin. The number two are Mr. Prabowo Subianto and Mr. Gibran. The number three candidate are Mr. Ganjar Pranowo and Mr. Mahfud MD. The election this time is quite exciting because there are three candidate pairs. Apart from the candidate pairs, there are quite interesting things, namely the supporter who have had quite a lot of debate lately. Well, let's review each candidate pair. Number one, Anies Baswedan and Cak Imin. In Anies Baswedan, improvement made by Anies during his time as governor, ranging from changing the integrated payment system to Jaklingko to the addition of 9 new routes for the Transjakarta service. DKI Jakarta also won the Swiss 10 Transport Award 2021. And then there is the Jackpreneur program during the Anies government by providing coaching and mentoring MSME has success in helping more than 300 MSME in Jakarta. Select member are also assessed by capital facilities. In addition to discuss the positive side, let's look at the controversy. Controversy Anies is often mentioned because he used religion identity politic. And then there is Anies campaign during the government election, which is to overcome the flood. But in fact, no. In Kebonpala are settled West floor for 3 days. The next campaign promise is the DP Zero program, but in reality is steering from the revision the implementation of the maximum income limit for participant from 7 million to maybe estimation in 15 15 million. For Cak Imin, there is no much record. Only we look at the but because president candidate there are many promise that are quite interesting because backfire from this Cak Imin figure. In number two, Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Raka Buming Raka. At the time, the Ministry of Defense under the leader Prabowo had spent more than the revitals the TNI. Based in Prabowo become the richest presidential candidate with a wealth of 2 trillion rupiah product from various companies. This allow him to contribute salary from his position and many of the organizations such as the construction of foundation, house of worship and others. Then discuss about Gibran. Under the supervision of Gibran, the Solo city government carried out a lot of infrastructure development. Then there are also controversy that often appear in the media. In 2005, Komnas HAM RI Prabowo start the all these activists have been released, although until now there are still 13 others with missing status until now. So the Gibran controversy that is hot a topic today is violation of the ethic of the decision of the construction court, which is also often associated with the dynasty politic. In addition, Gibran is figure is considered too young and lack experience. In number 3, we have Ganjar Pranowo and Mahfud MD. When he was governor of Central Java, Ganjar built 18 free school for students who had financial limitation, and he also improved agriculture through the farm and cart program. Then his deputy candidate Mahfud MD is famous for his courage to fight corruption. Mahfud said the best famous for his core to fight corruption. Controversy that often appears in media. The Ganjar Pranowo government in Central Java was into controversial, meaning opening case into different area. And memorable is Ganjar refusal to the Israel football team at the U20 World Cup. Another controversy come from Mahfud MD regarding restorative justice, and take the example of a woman who was raped. If the perpetrator is arrested and known, if he rapes the victim, his family will be destroyed. Well, all of candidate pair has been reviewed. Each has a positive side accompanied by controversy. I hope in this I realized I was wearing a blue shirt. This does not include politics support because I happen to have a lot of this cloth. Despite the many different choice, I hope this election is peaceful. Whoever will be elected later, I hope it can make Indonesia better. Thank you so much. Bye bye.